The James Greer Bankhead House, also known as the Greer Bankhead House in Forest Home, is a historic house in Sulligent, Alabama. It is a significant piece of Alabama's history and is the only site listed on the National Register in Lamar County. The house was built circa 1850 by James Greer Bankhead, a veteran of the Mexican-American War, in the style of a dog trot house. However, it was later enclosed and now takes the form of an I-house, which is a type of house commonly found in the southern United States, also known as plantation plain. The Bankhead family has a strong connection to the house. They came to Lamar County in 1818 from Union County, South Carolina.
John H. Bankhead, James Greer Bankhead's son, was born at the Bankhead Plantation on September 13, 1842, before the construction of this house.
He would go on to serve in the United States Congress for 33 years. Both of his sons, William B. Bankhead and John H. Bankhead II, were born in the Greer Bankhead House and also served in Congress. Tallulah Bankhead, the award-winning American actress, was John H. Bankhead's granddaughter. In 2010, the Greer Bankhead House was added to Alabama's Places in Peril, a list of the most endangered historic sites within the state. The house was noted to be in danger due to deferred maintenance and vandalism. Since being listed, the Greer Bankhead Preservation and Restoration Project has spearheaded an effort to protect the house from vandalism and is raising funds to stabilize and restore the historic structure. However, the project has faced challenges. Its proposal to deed the house to the Lamar County Historical Society was rejected by the house's owner, John Bagwell. Recently, the house was savagely attacked by vandals who destroyed many of the house's original windows. Despite these setbacks, the Greer Bankhead Preservation and Restoration Project's Facebook page remains active in the hope that this historic property can still be saved. The Greer Bankhead House is an excellent example of 19th-century architecture, with its two-story, gable-roofed main portion and one-story, shed-roofed portions on the front and rear. The house has two large chimneys in each gable end, which taper at the base of the pediment. A similar, smaller chimney sits on the northern side of the rear shed roof portion. However, a similar chimney on the south side was knocked over in a 1933 tornado. The shed-roofed front porch is supported by 6 square columns. Windows on the main block are all 9/6 sashes, while there are 4/4 windows on the rear portion. On each floor, the main block has 2 rooms on either side of a central stair hall. The rear portion is split into 3 rooms. A kitchen and dining room were in a wing on the south portion of the house, but were also destroyed in a 1933 tornado. In conclusion, the Greer Bankhead House is a significant piece of Alabama's history, with a strong connection to the Bankhead family and 3 generations serving in the United States Congress. It is a beautiful example of 19th-century architecture, but it has faced challenges due to deferred maintenance and vandalism. The Greer Bankhead Preservation and Restoration Project is working tirelessly to save this historic property, but they have faced setbacks. Despite this, they remain hopeful and determined to see this important piece of history preserved for future generations.